This is a simple strategy with our Supertrend indicator and Netheraya Watson indicator. All right, it's the two-step strategy. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. 2 rules. Rule number 1: wait for price to break out of our Netheraya Watson indicator, as you can see, and wait for a sell signal. As you can see, we had a breakout right here. Breakout, and we had a nice sell signal. Here as well, we had a nice breakout right here. We had a buy signal. That was a nice one. We had a breakout up here, as you can see. We had a sell signal and it did go our way. This is just a 1, 2, 3 step process strategy. Try it out. As you can see, it works. Obviously there will be some losses here and there, but as long as you follow the strategy, you should be on the profitable side. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.